Your income is your greatest wealth building tool. Everything that you make from your job or even your business, that is your greatest wealth building tool. But one of the most interesting things about that is that the rich and the wealthy, they know how to leverage their active income, be able to use and multiply their money. But the middle class, they use their active income, which is quote unquote their greatest wealth building tool, fund their lifestyle and pretty much use it to impress people. Within this video, I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 tips that you can use and leverage to be able to save a whole lot of money. Make sure to go ahead and watch until the end of the video, because within this, I'll share with you guys the greatest tool that you can use and leverage when it comes to doing this. And number 1 on our list is through your insurance. This is mainly through your homeowners insurance or even your car insurance. These are some of the things that personally I do bargain and revisit every single 6 months. And case in point, I was able to save thousands of dollars on my homeowners insurance. And this was simply a one phone call away, right? So your ability to revisit these will save you a whole lot of money. And number 2 is rent or your mortgage. If you're using anywhere above 40% of your take-home income in your rent or mortgage, man, you're either renting a big house or you bought a huge house that is a little bit above your budget. If there is a way that you can pretty much reduce or even cut back to make sure that you are within the means of 40% of your take home, that will be good and great, right? If you already bought your mortgage, then it's very prudent and smart enough for us to push up and at least increase our take home income. And number 3 is to avoid what we call the emotional purchases, man. We have a whole lot of trendy stuff on TikTok, Facebook, whatever it is, right? If you can find a way to pretty much avoid this, this will save you a whole lot of money. And when it comes to my case, if I need something, I always hold on for a bare minimum of 3 weeks. If I still need that item, then I always go ahead and budget and buy that same item in the next month. But if I don't, then that will pretty much save me a whole lot of money, and it will show me that this was an emotional, trendy purchase that I didn't even need. And number 4 is your ability to avoid paying interest, especially when it comes to credit cards. And one of the things that I personally hate from the bottom of my heart is paying credit card interest rates. And I always make sure that if I can't afford to buy it and pay it off with cash, then I'm not gonna put it on my credit card. So that's my simple rule of thumb. Once you do that, this will simply save you a whole lot of money. Last but not least is number 5, which is the intentionality, right? Your ability to be very intentional and very aware of your finances. That's very key and very important, because this includes things like your ability to budget, know how much money is coming in, know how much money you're spending, and most importantly, know how much money you're saving with the intentional purpose of investing. But most importantly, one of the greatest tools that I talked about at the beginning of the video is that you can go ahead and check out our website, right? Limitless@256.com. We have a whole lot of free resources, especially at the bottom, that you can use and leverage, all the way from mortgage calculators, saving strategies that are embedded for free, right? And once you guys leverage these tools, you can let us know in the comment section below what it is that you used on the website and what you think that we should include, so that give you guys back the good and the great resources. And as always, my name is Nick. I do make personal finance content, and if that is something that interests you, make sure to go ahead and follow for more practicals that actually build wealth. Peace out.